G'day, I'm Tim Thompson. Quick tip for you today. I'm with Nicole from Davo's Fencing Clip. Regionally manufactured fencing clips make fencing a whole lot easier. Nicole, you're on cracking black clay soils here.
Huge challenge.
And your posts move like crazy. If you look at old posts around here, they're all leaning over.
Yep, they all lean over. Your fences get shorter and shorter, your gates get further and further apart.
So we're sharing two quick tips that Nicole is using on her farm to great effect, and they might help you if you're on cracking black clays and your fence posts are moving a heap. Tip number one, your gates
Are too long.
are too long for the hole. You put your end assemblies closer together, Nicole.
Yep. So we make, on a double gate like this, we might make the whole gate a foot longer than what the gate spacing is. So
You've got overlap to start with.
there's overlap to start with, but we know that in years to come, as the fence walks backwards, we've got more years before the gates are a gap, and we need to, tie on that inevitable piece of weld mesh to fill up the gap in the middle.
Now the next thing could be a bit controversial. Your intermediate posts, your line posts, you stagger them alternatingly on the fence.
Much to the disgust of our fencing contractor that drives them.
Yes.
It's been an experiment for the last 10 years or so. Haven't seen any flaws with it yet.
But the idea is normally you put your wire on the pressure side that the animals are on.
Yes.
And you have your post opposing that pressure side, but in cracking black clays, that actually causes movement of the posts in the wrong direction.
Yes, it does.
So you're staggering your posts one each side.
Yep, and that means that no matter what side of the fence your livestock are on, the fence is equally protected.
And it's 10 years in and it's working.
Yep, so
Fantastic.
far.
Guys, if you like tips like this, don't forget, hit the little subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more on timthompson.ag. And if you want some fantastic Davo's fencing clips, talk to Nicole. Links in the description. See you next week, guys.